What if I ask you to design a country for yourself? You have all the resources needed for that, but the only thing you don't know is what role will you be playing in that country. So you don't know whether you will be belonging to a lower caste family or a so-called upper caste family. So definitely your answer will be a country wherein all are treated equally, there is no discrimination, and where there is no exclusion. Okay, now let's keep this question aside and talk about another. When you hear the word caste, what comes to your mind? So either you will think about reservations or untouchability. That's why to do an experiment, I went out and asked people their opinion about untouchability, whether untouchability still exists in country or not. So some of them were saying, no, it does not exist in today's world. We are all progressing and no one practices untouchability. But some people were saying that still untouchability exists in our country. Not only in small villages, but also in big metropolitan cities. So now let's take a closer look to the Indian caste system and find out the truth about it. Today I'll be showing you all that how our country India has failed to deal with caste system. Just 60 to 70 years back, people called Dalit were literally treated as slaves. But today they defy, they are taking education, they are migrating to cities, they are finding new jobs, and therefore they can say no to you, they can say no to slavery. And this is where the ego of upper caste people hurts. They think that only they have right to education. I'm sure that most of you must have seen the movie named Article 15. So in that movie there was one scene where one actor was telling another to not to buy bottled water from a shop which was belonging to a Dalit man. But my friends, reality is stranger than the fiction. In Bundelkhand in Uttar Pradesh, when the water crisis was going on, Dalits were not even allowed to touch the water tanker which was serving water for the so-called upper caste people. And this does not end here. There was another scene where one girl was telling that her brother is not getting job of a cook as people refuse to eat food cooked by him. Similar thing happened in Uttar Pradesh. In a country where on one side people are dying because of malnutrition, on the other side the food is being thrown in garbage only and only because the cook who cooked that food was Dalit. And all this happens because of untouchability. Actually, all those people practicing untouchability must be punished, arrested, because many years ago in 1955, untouchability was abolished. But even today in 2021, you can see hundreds of cases of untouchability being practiced in cities as well as in villages. In cities like Delhi, Dalit people are not given houses on rent, and even if they get the house on rent, they are not treated with respect. And that is why I see that India has failed to deal with caste system. People are being killed only and only because they own a horse. The mistake here is not owning a horse, but belonging to a lower caste family. In Uttarakhand, a Dalit man was killed because he was sitting in front of upper caste men and having his lunch. So, my dear friends, now you must have got an idea as to how the reality is harsh and stranger than fiction. Now let's talk about another thing, manual scavenging. These people used to earn livelihood by cleaning excreta of human. But this is not the thing of past. Even today, they are forced to do such work. Here you can see the timeline of legislation, how and when the prohibition of manual scavenging was done. So it started from 1993 and today we are in 2021 and still one manual scavenging death happens every 5 days. People are able to reach to another planet. Robots are being used for many such works which a human being cannot do. But still these people are forced to do such work. They do not have other options to earn livelihood. They don't get chance to study. And those who try to study by facing all these things are not treated equally and respectfully. Unfortunately, we live in a country where when all the arguments fail, caste is the only argument left. So now, what's the solution for this? The solution is right in front of you. That is, just don't accept it. We have accepted democracy. That means we will be the one who will choose everything. But caste is just a biological accident. So why accept it? We have not chosen caste on our own. And remember the answer you have told me for the first question. A country for yourself, wherein you might get any role. So try to make our country like that. Just don't tell your caste to anyone and don't ask others' caste. Law is doing its work, but we have to take one step forward and try to bring equality in our country in real sense. Because the reality is that we are privileged and they are not. But above all of this, we all are Indians. So change your mindset and live with dignity and let others also live with dignity. That's all from my side. Thank you.